Bills. Bills, 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 bills. Today is day 3, video 3. So it's Friday. It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. And it's about moving forward and no longer feeling sorry or pity or coming up with excuses. And you know the thing about excuses? They actually sound pretty good and legit real. Like, I cannot do more than what I can now. There's only so much money that I have. Or I don't have any time to read any books because I'm a mom, I have a job. You know, like, is that a lie? That's not a lie, it's the truth. But if reading helps you to open up your mind and your thought process to better, make the effort and the sacrifice to read. So while I was praying today, asking God for direction to what to do with the next thing, where to get his money from, how to pay these people, and I have a deadline of Monday. Reading, I actually went into ChatGPT. Chat knows the Bible better than me at this point, and I was like, Chat, listen, this is my situation. This is what I have, this is what I don't have, this is what I need. Based on the Bible and biblical scriptures that you know, I need you to act like my advisor at this point. Believe it or not, Chat actually went to work. It gave me some scriptures. First of all, it told me to breathe. Reminded me that God is in the midst of the storm. He's not only there in the good times, but he's also there in the bad times. You know the whole, I'm being punished. Not true. You're being pruned. This is what Chat tell me. Ameera, you're not being punished. You're being pruned. You're being prepared. God is preparing you for the next level. Because if you want financial freedom, you want to break the generational curse, you want to be the first generation millionaire in your family, and you want your children's children to be set up, you are the pioneer, which means you're going to get a lot of beating. I don't know if this is you and you have high expectations for your life financially, and you don't want to be stuck like Chuck in a pickup truck, like how Myron Golden is saying. You don't want to be doom and gloom. You don't want to be settling anymore and think that's the ground level is the only level. You might be the only person in your friend circle who want more. And sometimes you end up staying where you are because of them. In my case, the old version of me was holding back the new version of me. When I was listening to Miles Munroe, I didn't realize that. I was sabotaging myself, self-sabotage. I was afraid to grab onto what's good because what I was going through in the past, I had to be angry and my emotions had to help me get out of it. But where I'm going now, that's messing me up. So I have to change, and God is pruning me. My name is Ameera Groeneveld. I'm on St. Martin, and I'm in training to be a money management coach, specializing in emotional training. I'm doing a 30-day video. Today is day 3, video 3. Make sure you watch the other 2 videos if you get the chance. I am open and transparent, airing my dirty laundry in the hopes that you will not feel alone, that it's you. Disclaimer, I'm not yet a financial special coach, trainer, so take what I tell you with a grain of salt. Know that it's from my experience. Seek financial help if you're in need of that. So, moving on, moving forward, seeing about owning up to my responsibilities, no longer talking down to myself, but talking up, and knowing that bills is not the only reason for money. Bills is not the only reason. Your future is not about money. See you in the next one.